Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am here to do a makeup tutorial. So far I have did my foundation, so I'm gonna go on in concealed. And before I forget, the foundation I'm using is NYX Born to Go in Sienna. Hope y'all can see that. Yeah, so today we're going to do a look based off of the character A Moon Day from Coming to America 2, and for anybody who's just now joining me, my YouTube channel. Hi, my name's Alicia, and I do makeup, beauty, fashion, sports entertainment, and yeah. And like I'm saying, I'm going to do a moon day. I do have some color outlines I'm going to be following. So, I can thing, but I hope everybody is doing well today. Like I said, I hope y'all are doing well. And I curled my eyelashes today, so all right, so let's get started, and we're gonna do this highlight and thing. But like I said, I'm gonna be doing and I'm doing a dabbing motion right quick. And if you notice, I have a different hairstyle. Recently, yesterday, I went and got my hair cut. So, yeah. And if you wanted to know the color concealer I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Medium Peach. So yeah, but I will list everything I use. So I'm doing a tapping motion right quick to conceal. Oh, okay. And actually, here it is. We're going to use a highlight, and where is it? We're going to use this right here. And I'm going to highlight under my eye. And we're just going to highlight. Get a good highlight going, not much. And like us. And we're going to go down bridge of the nose as well. All right. And while we're waiting for that to set, we can go on and do the eyes. And like I'm saying, I do have a color So we're going to be using this Profusion palette right here. And the first color, and let me get a paper towel. Woo. And we're going to sit that in front of me. And we're going to spin that off. And we're going to go in with the color Doe, D-O-E, right here. To put in the crease. To put all up, well, actually all over the eye. Right. And we're going to blend that out with this brush right here. And we're just going to do a blend. We're just going to blend all over. Like I said, I'm going to do it based off of the character of Moon Day, off of Coming to America too. Okay. We're going to take this brush and we're going to go in with the color called Outspoken right here. We're going to go in with that and put that in the crease. That's what I want to put in the crease. But yeah, I liked it, her character, so yeah. I'm liking how it's turning out. I'm just adding a little more on the other eye. Okay, we're going to blend that out a little more. And I'm going based off of the first formal look, but I'm gonna put my own interpretation on it first. So yeah. So while I'm waiting doing on that, we're going to go on and do the brows. And that is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel. We want to take this and we're just going to give it a Now we're going to take this brush And we're going to take this color called Rush right here. Right there. That's the color I'm using. It's this beautiful shimmery color. And we're just going to line that all over the lid. Then the next thing we're going to do is going to take this brush right here and we're just going to blend it a little. Turning out pretty well. We're going to go back in with this brush and we're going to go back in with the outspoken. We're going to go back in with outspoken, but we're going to dab it in Bravo as well. But yeah, so and we're just going to and we're going to take this brush and we're just going to finish it up. And we're going to go in with this brush and we're going to go with the color called Halo in the crease of the brow. Okay. Before I finish up, we're going to blend. Let's take another brush. We're going to take this brush right here and we're just going to blend the highlight a little. And there we go. But we're gonna come back to the highlight. But yeah. So we're gonna take this brush right here. Make sure I'm picking up the right one. And we're gonna take this finishing powder right here to finish up the face. I am liking the look. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this. We're going to go on. Uh-oh, it's not good. take this brush right here. And we're going to go in the color called bronze. We're going to go into this color right here. And we're going to put the bronze. And I'm going to put a little bit on the right up in here. And we're going to take, for that to go in the highlight, we're going to take this color called Summer. And we're just going to there you go. And we're going to take it on the bridge of the nose, a little bit on the nose, right up in here. There you go. And for the blush, we're going to use this one called Rimmel London Wild Child, but we're not going to go full in. We're going to do a dapping motion. We're going to dab. There you go. We're just going to do this. Finish off the with mascara. We're going to be taking a product I found at Dollar Tree, and it's by Maybelline New York, and this is the Skyper and this is in black cherry. So I wanted to use this for this, and we're just going to use not much. There we go. And to finish off the look, we're going to use the lipstick color called Rose Velvet. And we're just going to add also on top my Urban Decay liquid lipstick and Unbroken on top. And we're going to take this, clean it up a little, and there you go. And this is my Moon Day look. I think this turned out pretty well. So y'all, please tell me if you like my Moon Day look. Please thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.